Good morning and happy Sunday. I hope you are well. So today I'm doing a bit of like a day in the life with me on a Sunday. So it is currently 5:49 a.m. and I am currently waiting for Ben. So every Sunday what I do is I pick up Ben from work. So he works like Saturday evenings, and then I take him to work and then I pick him up for like 6 in the morning. So I'm currently sat in his car park like ready to pick him up and I'm all like snug. I've been wanting to do a Sunday little vlog for a very long time. I actually tried to film it the other week, but it didn't work out because I didn't have enough memory on my phone. So I thought I would show you a bit of like a day in life with me and what I do on a Sunday. There is a lot of self-care on a Sunday, and yeah, I'm just currently waiting for Ben. And what I usually do is I go back home, I go straight back to bed. Seriously, I go straight back to bed. I am not literally staying up from 5:30 on a Sunday. It's just a no-go. And I will see you soon. Okay, so whilst I am just putting things away and sorting the bed out at 5:10 on a Sunday evening, I'm gonna just quickly explain to you what I normally do. So what I normally do is I get up and I just put like a top and some workout leggings on, and I usually get up and I work out. So that's what I usually do. But today I didn't get up until, what time did I get up? 11:45, no, 11:45, which is really quite late. And I just couldn't get out of bed, and I didn't get out of bed till 11:45. I was just tired, but I went to bed at like 11 o'clock last night, woke up at 5:30, I went back to bed at 6:30, I didn't get up till 11:15. I was like, what is going on? And then what I usually do is I work out and then I tidy up. Today we ended up going on our Beat Saber on VR. Going on Beat Saber, which is a workout, I'm telling you that for sure. And yeah, I burnt like over 500 calories, which is really good. So yeah, and then I usually work out and then I tidy up, hoover up maybe, if I don't do it on a Saturday, put any washing in, take any washing out, and I just kind of like give the house a nice cleanse. I like it when my house is tidy and clean and things. It was a little bit different. I did Beat Saber and then I've just been cleaning since, really. Obviously you've seen a few snippets. I'm just got my little Christmas throw out with little penguins. I've finally just come upstairs. Downstairs is all clean and tidy. I've sorted out some extra Christmas lights, even though it's Christmas on like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And yeah, just been sorting all that out, and now I've come upstairs to sort out all my clothes, because coming to the end of the week I usually put in clothes everywhere because I can't be bothered to, you know, so put them away pretty much, I'm not gonna lie. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to hoover, and then I'm going to tidy up my dressing table because that is an absolute mess as well. So I will be right back. Bad angle this, but what I like to do, I've just had a shower, I'm in some nice pyjamas, and what I like to do is go in with the Formula 10.0.6, which you would have already seen on my Beauty Bay haul. If you've not watched it already, I'll leave it in the description box down below. So this is the micellar cleaning water, and I'd just like to really work it into the skin Now I'm going in with my favourite like cleansing like solution. Oh, I just really go up and really work it into the skin. Face mask straight after I get a bath or a shower, but we're gonna have tea soon, so I'm gonna which is really soon apparently, so I thought there's no point because then I won't be able to eat it properly. Just gonna put on my Vaseline cocoa butter. I love this stuff. My dad bought me it last year because my lips were really sore. It get really bad in the autumn winter time. The little set where you get like 3 in like a big Vaseline tin, and this was one of them. I was like, oh, I've never tried this before, and honestly I've not stopped using it since. Creaming in with my Nivea Soft, which has been like my daily moisturiser since forever. Probably doing my hair half up, half down. Yes, our cushy socks. I'm gonna get my Powerpuff Girl ones. Then another thing what I like to do as well, which I'll do in a moment, is that I'm using this, which is really good. Brand new one, so good. It's the Garnier Hand Repair Intensive like hand repair, because my hands get really dry. So I'm gonna chill out. Now I'm gonna do my Draw It All Out face mask, and then I'm gonna go in with my Skin Academy Wrinkle Care Gel Eye Patches. I think these are really nice, and they've got lavender extract in them, and I just feel like they take away the puffiness. So I've done all my bad areas. I'm gonna undo this. Oh, feels really nice now. Watching Love Actually. So on Sundays I do normally like to put a film on, or me and Ben will watch something. We've been watching on Witcher. I'm really enjoying that at the moment, but he's just on his game. And I'm watching Love Actually, and so I've got my little eye thingies on, and I'm drinking tea. It's currently like 10 o'clock-ish. We've got the cats playing, and I'm just texting my best friend Lauren, and yeah, happy self-care Sunday. So I'm getting ready to go to bed. It's currently like 20 to 12, which is so late. I'm only in bed by like at least 10 o'clock on a Sunday. I'm just going to brush my teeth. I satin floss as well, which is what I like. And the toothpaste we've got is the Colgate Sensitive with Sensifoam. We do get another one, but it's quite expensive. My Mario Badescu drying lotion on all these little tiny pimples. Right, don't shake. That's a cut, not there. One there. One there. Still got some makeup blemish here. Get in there. Let's go to bed. So it's the next day, and I'm using my So Totally Clean micellar water to get rid of any extra spots and things like that. These ones have really dried out, which is so good. I really hope you enjoyed the video, guys. And now I'm going to go with my So Totally Clean, the orange one. That is what I do on a self-care Sunday. Obviously this is the next day now, so it's Monday. By this point I would usually be at work by now, but I'm not, because it's a day off, which is really nice. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed the video, and please remember to go subscribe. It would mean so much to me, and I will see you again on my next video. I love you lots. Bye.